In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Recommendations in Canva to find matching design elements. If you want your design to look more polished and consistent without spending a lot of time searching manually, this feature can really help. Magic Recommendations in Canva suggests coordinated graphics, shapes, and stickers based on an item you already have in your design. That means instead of trying to guess what will match well, Canva gives you a curated set of options that fit the style of the selected element. To get started, go to canva.com and open any design project. This can be a presentation, social media post, flyer, or any other Canva design you're currently working on. Once your project is open, move to the canvas and click on a graphic, shape, or sticker that's already placed on your workspace. Make sure you're selecting a design element like an illustration or decorative object, because this is what Canva will use as the reference for its recommendations. After selecting the item, look over to the left side of the screen and open the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps its library of graphics and visual assets. When the right type of item is selected, you should see a section called Magic Recommendations appear, either below the selected item details or within the side panel. This section is designed to show you visually related assets that work well with what you already chose. Take a moment to review the recommendations that appear. These are usually chosen to match the style, theme, or overall look of your selected element, which makes them especially useful when you're building a cohesive design. If you want to explore more than the first few suggestions, click See All. This will expand the full list so you can browse through a wider collection of coordinated design assets. As you scroll through the expanded options, look for elements that support your design without overcrowding it. A good tip is to choose items that repeat the same visual style so everything feels intentional and balanced. This is especially helpful if you're creating branded content or trying to keep a clean, professional look. That's all it takes to use Magic Recommendations in Canva. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and make your designs feel much more unified.